Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Styles. Today we are in Toronto. Remember the first video with all of the tours? We are in a caboose in Toronto, the Railway Museum. It's pretty cool actually. There's some other stuff out here. This is this. Pretty cool. There's a simulation we'll try over there later. There's this train car. It's pretty cool. Okay. There's this simulation here. They're now outside, and there are some other trains. There's the CN Tower. There is this train. Pretty cool. There's a GO train over there too. Pretty cool actually. And there is this mini train that just keeps going by. I don't know where it is. You want to go see it?
You gotta speak up though.
Okay guys, we're gonna find the mini train. The guy in the engine here is probably gonna be really funny because he's literally driving a mini train. These are the tracks. It's crazy. Here's the tiny train. It's actually pretty cool. I went on it last time I was here and the train was really cool. But the problem is that it's kind of small for us.
Yep, we're a little old now.
Yeah. That's really it here. There's not much. You can look around yourselves. But come to Toronto. It's pretty sick here. Not as cool as Ottawa, but it's really nice.